that's about here. Goes to about 25 inches. Guys, me again. I just caught a monster smallie. What a beaut. Holy Toledo. He is huge. What a take. Might need the pliers. Maybe. Nope. 21 inches. 21 inches. Woo! Feisty as can be. Got a nice little pike before hitting the gym. Off like a champ. Now I just caught an 18-inch smallie. What a beautiful fish. It's supposed to rain today, so I'm like, I better get out before it rains, because I'm sure the bite will be on, and it's been on. A pike and a smallie all within 20 minutes. Yes! What a beaut. What a gorgeous, gorgeous smallie. Wow. Another one! Yes. Didn't take long at all. Ready? There, I'll release it now. Woo!
Don't trip, Erica.
Eric, come beside Mom.
You gonna make this a picture later?
Yeah. Please, Eric, closer to the fish. Channel cat. First one of the year. Gotta unhook it. Not one of the hugest ones I've ever caught, but exciting. Yeah! Channel cat! Thanks for the meet and greet. Off like a champ. Yay! start recording this already? So we'll get a view. Show them the look of the catfish. September 29th. 7.25 about, kind of, bluegill. Not sure if you guys are doing bluegills. 20 feet. Now I'll let her go.
Right on.
Off like a champ.
Right on.